Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to rig BloodStrike characters and make 3D thumbnails. You can even create animations easily using this method, and you don't need any advanced skills to get started. This video also covers the core basics of Blender. Okay, so the first thing you'll need is 3D models of the characters you want to rig and animate. But if you don't have any 3D models yet, I've made it easy for you. Just join my Discord server and download them for free from there. Just scroll down until you see the channel called BloodStrike Models. Then choose any character you like. Click the download button and save the model in any folder you want. Now let's move into Blender. You can box select all these default objects and delete them. Go to File, Import, then choose FBX if your model is an FBX file, or GLB if you downloaded a GLB file. As you can see, my model is GLB. Select the model that you downloaded from my Discord and hit Import. As you can see, my character is now in Blender. If something looks wrong, like the model being transparent, don't worry. In my Discord, go to the community support channel. You'll find solutions to most common problems there, and if you can't find yours, just leave a message. Me or my team will reply to you as soon as possible. Now just box select your model and export it as FBX. Save it somewhere you won't forget. You'll need it later. Now go to the website called Mixamo, the link is in the description, and upload the FBX file you exported from Blender. Once the upload is complete, click Next and place the markers exactly like this. Click Next and wait for the process to finish. When you see your character playing this animation, it means everything is set and ready to go for the next step. From here, you can choose any animation you want for your thumbnail or pose. I'm going to pick this one. Now click Download and save your model as FBX with skin. Then we move to Blender. Select your model and move it to the side by pressing G, then X to move it along the X-axis. Now import your animated model back into Blender. Oh, and before we continue, let me quickly cover some Blender basics. Use the middle mouse button to rotate the view, Shift plus middle mouse to move around, press S to scale the model, R to rotate it, and G to grab and move it. And if you want to lock any movement to a specific axis, just press the axis key right after the action key. For example, press G, then X, to move the model only along the X-axis, like this. The same works for scaling and rotating too. Just press the axis key after the action key. And by the way, those keyboard shortcuts are only used by pros, but don't worry, you don't have to be a keyboard ninja. You can use these on-screen tools instead, like this. Now let's add textures to our animated model. There are many ways to add textures in Blender, but for this video, we're going to use the easiest method. Select the body of your non-animated model and go to the Material Properties tab. Rename the body material to Shirt, then select the head and rename its material to Head, and do the same for the hair and eyes. Now select your animated model and assign the materials to the matching parts: body to shirt, head to head, hair to hair, and eyes to eyes. And boom! Your animated character is now fully textured. You can safely delete the non-animated model. Now let's add a camera and tweak a few Blender settings to make everything look good. Go to Edit, Preferences, System, set the Cycles Render Device to Optics, and select your GPU if you're using an NVIDIA card. Click the three lines and choose Save Preferences. Do this every time you change a setting or add an add-on. Now press Shift plus A and add a camera. Click this camera icon to enter camera view. Then press Shift plus Grave Accent, the key above Tab, to take control of the camera and move it like in a video game using WASD and your mouse. Now let's add some lighting to make it look even better. There are many ways to add HDR eyes, but we'll use the fastest method. Therefore, go back to Blender, click Edit, Preference, Add-ons. Click Install. Select the add-on zip file and enable it. Then click the 3 lines and choose Save Preferences. Now you'll see some new options at the top of Blender. Click the bookmark icon and log in when it asks. It'll open the login page. Just sign in, authorize it, and then come back to Blender. Click the globe icon to open the HDR eyes. Pick one you like, then switch to Render Preview to see the lighting. And just like that, it looks awesome. And to make rendering faster, go to Render Properties and switch the render device from CPU to GPU. Now, if you want to modify your character's pose, here's how to do it. Go to the link in the description and download the Mixamo Rig add-on. Now install the Mixamo Rig add-on the same way we installed BlenderKit. To adjust the pose, first we need to create a control rig. Press N to open the side panel. Go to the Mixamo tab. Select the character's armature. The bone you see above the head is also a bone. With it selected, click Create Control Rig. Then switch to Pose Mode. And boom! Now you can start posing your character. Once you're done posing, go to Render, Render Image. Wait a few seconds, then click Image, then Save As, rename your file, and save it anywhere you like. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning Blender. Let me know in the comments if you want a full animation tutorial, with guns, movement, and everything. And join the Discord if you need any help. This is Patel from Top Notch Assets. Goodbye.